It's time for the Hour of Code. Today, you're going to be practicing Flappy Birds. Watch the attached video, visit the Flappy Bird site, and follow the directions. Enjoy coding. Remember, if you have trouble, raise your hand and your classroom tech helper can help you.
Hey everyone! One of the most exciting things about computer science is that a computer program can be interactive. Anytime someone clicks, taps, or types on a computer or phone, that generates an event. And there's some code that decides what to do when an event occurs. For example, you could have an event handler that says, when the mouse is clicked, play a sound. Let's try an activity to see how it works. Have you ever heard of the game Flappy Bird? By using event handlers, you can learn how to program your very own custom version of Flappy Bird. The code you'll write involves dragging and dropping blocks that represent commands for the computer. Drag and drop programming is the easiest way to learn. It's even how university students start learning to code. But under the hood, each of these blocks is represented by real code. If you take a look at the workspace, there are some green blocks that are filled in for you. These are event handlers. If you want the bird to flap when you click the mouse, you can do that by attaching the flap block to the appropriate event handler. And now in your game, whenever you click the mouse, the bird will flap. In each puzzle in this activity, we'll introduce new types of events as green blocks on the workspace, and you can decide the appropriate block to add in response to those events. When you see a drop-down arrow like this, that means you can change the settings, like what sound to play when Flappy hits the ground. In the final puzzle, you'll be able to create your own game and share it with your friends. Have fun!
Select the camera for your Chromebook. Turn it over to scan and QR code. Aim your computer camera at the code and click the link. Remember, on each exercise, it is very important you read the instructions and click OK. To complete the exercises, you will be dragging blocks in and making selections into the workspace. When you think you have it right, click the Run button to see your commands executed. After running, if you completed the puzzle, it will allow you to continue. Remember, after everyone in the class has completed the Hour of Code, take a picture of your class with their Hour of Code certificate. Send that picture to Mrs. Rarely and we will put it on the morning news show. Happy coding!